Another worm. This guy's a little fatter one. Had to cut him in half. Toss it out. And now I gotta find the worm I dropped. Let's see if I can find him while we catch a fish. Ooh, we got one. Ooh, wow. He jumped. He jumped. He jumped. Nice. Bro, check out the size of this guy. He jumped mid-air. I guess we'll unhook him and throw him back. I have fly around me. Unhook him. Alright, you see? And we threw him back. Got some new worm here. Tried a soft plastic. It was getting teared up by bluegill, but none big enough to bite it, or at least none that took it. But you could just feel it was getting hammered. So we switched back to the worm so we could catch some bigger species, hopefully. Like that, whatever that is. Whatever this that has my thing is. Nice bass. Check him. Alright, we're gonna try to catch one more. Oh, wow. Right on cue. What do we got here? Wow. Look how big that fish is for a bluegill. Mondo. Oh, and we got the bait back. So I guess we'll keep going for a little more. So that makes the total on day 4. We'll go for 5. Oh, wow. Nice hook set right here. Whatever we got. Oh, and yeah, he gave us the bait back at least. We didn't get to catch him. I think it was a bluegill. The bluegills here have tremendous fight. I don't know if the problem is like the hooks I'm using or they're just not hooked good. Cause look, as soon as I put it in, really, I'm getting hit right now. And I reel it in fast right by the bank because that's where the bluegill hang out. I'm trying to get a few bigger species than bluegill. As I say that. I mean, look, it's not the worst fish, right? Nice looking fish. Bro, come on, man. Ah, got me. Just as I was gonna say, I hate getting spiked by these guys. It's the worst feeling. Okay. Well, we still have half a worm. It's the worm that never goes away. We've caught 3 fish on it so far. And almost had a 4th. Toss it to the other side of the bank. And then pull it up before the bluegill hit it, hopefully. When the line gets tight quick, I always think I have a fish, but I'm just reeling in the slack, really. Alright, should we go for another bluegill? Why not? Leave it right here. Just jiggle it a bit. Oh. Bluegill fishing is like... Oh no. No, he got caught. And then he hooked my branch up here. Yikes. So, I'm gonna have to get the wheel. Check out this hooks. Wow. What do we got here? Whatever it is, it's fighting like crazy. Quick flip onto land. And another bass. Wow. Good looking one. I don't even know how many that is now. Oh, he fell. But he hooked me. Oh, he's making it back. Beautiful release right there. Took the hook out. I guess he just found his way back to the water. Alright. So last one was a good sized one. Now, hopefully, this one be an even bigger one.